long and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I sat quietly, agreed politely. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything. You held me down, but I got up, already brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound, like thunder gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I've got the eye of the tiger, a fighter, dancing through the fire. Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. What you wanna say, louder than a lion. Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. You're gonna hear me roar. Everybody's been there, everybody's been stared down by the enemy, falling for the fear and done some disappearing. Bow down to the mighty. Held me down,